Hey guys, in this part we learn access modifiers in C#. By now you are quite familiar with the public keyword that appears in many of our examples. The public keyword is an access modifier, which is used to set the access level or visibility for classes, fields, methods and properties. C# has the following access modifier, and so public is the first access modifier, and private and protected and internal. These are access modifiers in C#, and there is also two combinations: protected internal and protected internal and private protected. For now, let's focus on public and private modifiers. Private modifier. If you declare a field with a private access modifier, it can only be accessed within the same class. For now, I create a class car and add a field private string model equal to Mustang, and create an object car my object equal to new car, and console.writeLine my object dot model, and we have an error. The error says car.model is inaccessible due to its protection level. This error for the private keyword. And public modifier. If we declare a field with a public access modifier, it is accessible for all classes. So I change the model to public string and the error is solved. Control F5 and we see Mustang. And why access modifiers? To control the visibility of class members, the security level of each individual class and class members. To achieve encapsulation, which is the process of making sure that sensitive data is hidden from users. This is done by declaring fields as private. You will learn more about this in the next chapter. And note, by default, all members of a class are private if you don't specify an access modifier. So I remove the public keyword and we have the same error. Car.model is inaccessible due to its protection level.